Hi, I'm Debbie, and this is day 6 of my diet, my 30-day diet. Um, I'm actually kind of enjoying the cauliflower rice yesterday was awesome. I just love that. Today we're going to do a couple different things. We have, yes, yes, we have for breakfast 2 eggs orange. For lunch we have a tossed salad with the leftover grilled pork chops from yesterday. And then for dinner we have beef stroganoff and Brussels sprouts. And then for a snack, I'm going to have nuts, some cucumbers, pickles, and tomato? Oh, carrots. Nuts, pickles, cucumbers, and carrots. So we'll get started. This is the microwave pressure cooker, and I love it. It's so hot today that the last thing you want to do is be stirring anything on the kitchen sink or kitchen stove. So this is the pressure cooker. And for beef stroganoff, pretty easy. I use about 2 to 3 pounds of meat, and I've sliced it into strips. And then we use 2 tablespoons of beef bouillon, tablespoons of beef bouillon, and 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup. I buy whichever cream of mushroom. Sometimes it's got low salt, sometimes this one says healthy request. I think all the soup tastes the same. And this is 1 can. I don't put any liquids in it because the soup has enough liquid. And then when you cook the beef gives out some liquid and makes the gravy really good. So if you add too much water, it'll get really runny. I don't think that'll taste that great. I can't believe how easy this is. I just love it. The easiest thing to do, and it turns out really good, and you don't have to stand over the stove all day. I think it's 4 ingredients: beef, bouillon, cream of mushroom soup. Tastes pretty good. You hear that? Yeah. People always do that. Okay, so we're gonna stir it up. You stir it up good so that all the meat and the bouillon and all gets all mixed together good. So that it cooks all the way. All of it gets soaked in the cream of mushroom soup and the beef bouillon. I guess you can put the beef bouillon in the soup and mix it all together, but I'm not known for doing it that way. I just dump everything in together. Okay. It will mix itself a little, but definitely better if you mix it first. Okay. That's it. Beef, bouillon, and cream of mushroom soup. Now this has got a couple of ways to keep it safe. It has where you lock the two together, the 2 arrows, and you twist it, and then you push down on this, double lock. You put it in for 30 minutes. When this comes up, that means that it's cooked enough. You let it sit until this goes down. And this is what it looks like when it's done. I didn't think you wanted me to sit here for 30 minutes while I cook this. So I hear footsteps. You guys gotta help, okay? Or be quiet. Alright? I'm making beef stroganoff. So you can see how it looks. Say hi, Nahaku. Hi, okay. I was waiting for you guys. I'm waiting for you guys, and you didn't come yet.
Oh, so that's what you're gonna make.
But don't block the camera, okay?
I see.
Okay, so this, I want to show you how tender the meat is. You can just cut it with a fork. It's really tender. Okay, but that's not done yet. We have to finish it with, it's hot, okay? Make it beef stroganoff and just not mushrooms, beef with mushroom soup. You have to put cream cheese in it.
Can I eat it?
Yes, it's cooked. You have to tell everybody if you like it. You like it. Are you going to want to try it too? No? I'll take a piece out just in case, okay?
Yeah.
You want an orange? Okay. I waited for you guys to come home all day, and you didn't come home.
Watching
a movie. Whatever.
Oh, okay.
Right.
And then as soon as I start making a video, then you guys came home. So I cut it into blocks so it makes it easier to melt. Little cubes. So this is makes it the beef stroganoff. You ate brother's piece too? Yeah, they like most of my cooking, right?
I actually like all of the cooking.
You like all my cooking? I'm gonna remind you that, okay?
Pickle.
Pickles. Okay, they like all the food I make. So this is how you get the cream cheese mixed in with it, and it makes that beef stroganoff taste.
I want.
Let's see. Tastes better. And when it comes out, it's like boiling hot, so it just melts it easily in there.
It's hot.
It's hot, right?
When I ate Okios, it was hot in my mouth.
Mm-hmm.
So I tried to shoot it fast.
You have to blow on it. Okay, so you can stick it in if you want for another minute.
What is this?
If you want
Tomatoes?
to. Okay, wait. Okay.
Tomatoes?
Yeah. You can stick it in for a minute or two more if you want to melt it faster. But just covering up like this will keep it warm for quite a while. And instead of standing over the stove and stirring it and stirring it and stirring it.
Did you make the snack?
I'm making it now. Okay, first.
Did you just start the video?
Yeah, I just started.
Oh, good thing we came.
Yeah, good thing. Good thing.
I got
Oh!
Okay, that. Okay, now we're gonna do Brussels sprouts.
What is that?
What?
What is that?
And I put minced garlic.
Try it.
Minced garlic. I'm mixing it up. You guys gotta behave, okay?
One time my teachers made me to eat Brussels sprouts.
You gonna try them, right?
Oh, not today.
After they're cooked. What I do is I put some olive oil and some minced up garlic. You can mince it up in the chopping prep. Okay, that's enough saying hi, honey.
Do you always wear that shirt?
I was wearing your shirt, yeah, but I'm doing a Tupperware video, so I changed my shirt.
You always do it before you do the video?
Yes. They want to see Tupperware, right? Then you know I'm using Tupperware.
No wonder you want. No wonder publicans join the club every time.
Yeah. So this is the Fridge Smart that keeps the vegetables fresh. And you move it to whatever, if you need it open all the way. This is cabbage. It has Brussels sprouts. It's half open. Broccoli needs a lot of air, so you open it all the way.
Not that much.
And this is, okay, you gotta be a little bit quiet, okay?
I like broccoli.
This is Brussels sprouts, and this is the Ultra Pro. And what's really good about the Ultra Pro is it goes not only in the microwave, but it also goes in the oven. So I can cover this and microwave it for a few minutes, and then I can brown it in the oven, make it crispy. So I cut the Brussels sprouts in half so that the oil can get all through the Brussels sprouts, like little baby cabbages. So we'll be making that in a little while. So we have the orange. Luckily, I have another orange downstairs because somebody's going to want to eat it right away. Huh? Who's that? You like oranges, huh? You can have the orange.
I open it.
I knew you was going to eat it. And then we're going to have, oh, for lunch, we're going to have a salad. And I have the dressing in here. And I have some lettuce. But I didn't finish putting the carrots. The cucumbers. The cucumbers. You can put some cucumbers in there.
Yum, yum, yum.
No, okay. And then you can put some tomatoes in there. So you have dressing, cucumbers, tomatoes. I didn't make a whole bunch yet. I have to do that in a little while. And then this is the vent and serve. The vent and serve has the... It's
What
cooked
is
already.
that?
This is the pork chop that's cut up already. Yeah.
That
So you
looks
can
like bread.
you can microwave it and eat it warm, or you can eat it cold on your salad. It's up to you.
I like to eat it cold.
And then I'm gonna make my snacks. Okay.
Eggs?
I make sure. Okay. No, that's breakfast. Eggs and orange.
I want orange.
Who eats eggs and orange for breakfast?
When you're on a diet, you can eat anything you want. Don't you think orange sounds good for breakfast?
Yeah.
Don't you eat eggs for breakfast?
Yeah.
That's eggs and orange. What's up with that? That's kind of
I
funny.
don't actually eat oranges at the morning.
Hey.
I usually eat them at the daytime for like snack.
But a lot of people like orange juice in the
Come
morning.
here.
I like pickles. So put a couple pickles.
Some eggs.
No, the eggs are for breakfast.
Just crack that egg.
And we're going to put...
Snack in the egg.
Are you going to eat it?
No.
Then no, you can't.
I'll
So
eat it
cucumbers-
later.
I don't think so, because you're going to eat dinner later.
I want this.
Yeah. Maybe Papa will open it for you while I'm busy doing the video.
Okay.
And some carrots. And I have the carrots already. I always make sure I do this because you want to make sure that if you want to go somewhere, all your stuff is ready. And all your stuff is ready and you don't have to wait while you get stuff ready. You can just grab it and go. Pretty good, huh? Orange, eggs, tossed salad, tomato, cucumbers, pork chops, beef stroganoff with Brussels sprouts, and then you like the beef stroganoff. You thought you wouldn't like it, huh? And then,
I didn't know what it was.
and then
I never know what it looked like.
it's good though, huh? And then the pressure cooker, so we didn't have to cook it over the stove. We put it in the microwave. Okay, I think that's
Anytime.
it. Are you going to eat it?
No. I'll just crack them.
Okay, but these are the eggs from the other day when I did 10 in 10 minutes in the smart multi-cooker. So it's good. All right, you're going to have to eat it. All right, have a nice day.
I'll try
Bye.
to eat it.